Welcome to How We Roll Auto.
Good morning, How We Roll Auto. Going down to the shop. Gonna get the gas tank put back in.
We are live!
Sunday.
You ready for this? No. What? You gotta get excited. Gotta get excited.
My grills are taking a number.
Regretting the McGriddle, are you? McGriddle?
2 McGriddles.
2 of them? You're gonna put your palms on the floor and throw it through the storm.
Hydroplaning on the seat.
You got a hydroplane? All right. We're gonna get this sending unit back on the gas tank and the gas tank back in the truck. By we, I mean Humpty Dumpty's gonna do all the work, and I'm gonna handle stuff.
What the hell? How the hell did you buy this? What the hell was that?
My neighbor, he's a little nuts. You want some players?
Yeah. Hey man, aren't you supposed to know about PPE?
I am. What the hell are you doing down there with all
I'm
that?
good. Shit, my eye.
You want some glasses?
No, I'm a man.
You'll be a blind man pretty soon. You go, you wanker.
Hey man, you ever see that video of the bird?
You want to see my pecker?
Yeah.
You want to see my pecker? Here it is. She's a little bit rusty.
That's how the British say it, right?
What a bottle.
Whoa.
You want a bottle of water? Crikey.
We went from... We're going all around the world here with the accents today. Let's score some points.
I just want to apologize to absolutely nobody.
On today's episode of How We Roll Auto.
It's a bit naughty.
What did you guys?
This coffee tastes like shit. You want to hand me a knife?
A what?
A knife?
A knife?
Yeah.
What are you trying to cut?
I'm gonna cut the rest of the hose off.
Oh, you want to slit it down?
Yeah.
Hang on a second. Ow!
Yeah, that's 110% a good hose.
Oh, yeah.
It's stiff.
What size is that thing? 5/16? It's bigger than...
This one's to the pump.
That's the fuel pump?
Yes.
That's the one you just... There we go. Did you take the... You took the clamp off, but it wouldn't come off. Where's that knife? Let me see that knife. These shears are great. Oh, I probably just broke them because they dropped them. Who bought these cheap ass clamps from Harbor Freight? That would be me. Budget build. Budget build. Not because I want to, but because that's what the wife says I have to do. Gotta go by the warden's rules.
What the hell?
My seat wet.
So that's what you do?
What? Well, I thought I was going to scoot out. I had to put my weight forward. I was going to stand up if I had to. Cat-like reflexes, man.
Oh, I don't know about that one, but
Well, I didn't say it was a healthy cat.
goddamn Garfield. I don't think it's getting away anymore. Huh?
No?
Huh?
No. Get that PPE on?
Huh?
Exactly. Good.
Safety squints, man.
Safety third. All right, let's go. What, we need...
We need that ground wire. I remember where it
Where the
went.
hell is it?
I don't know. Where'd you put it?
That's the problem.
Oh, well.
Never clean up. That's the... If you don't clean up, it'll be right where you left it. If you clean up, you'll never find it again. Right here. Should we make a new one? I can make a new one quick. Or you can.
There's no reason to.
Why?
That's fine. It's got that same tape on there too. I think that there's an actual crimp underneath that for once on this truck.
Is that eyelet too big? The hell is it grounded to? It's one of the tank bolts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You want me to get under there? I mean, I can muscle it up there.
I can do it.
Okay.
1,000 pounds, let's go. Tight grip, we've got you. Big breath. Drive. Up, good. Rack. Lightweight!
Congo. Welcome to the Congo.
What are you booing for?
It's falling. Oh my god.
What?
Why is there so much stuff falling in my eyes?
It sat in the dirt for 15 years. Well, 12 years. 10 to 12 years.
I think the hose is too long.
The one I had to put on there?
Yeah.
I only made it like a quarter inch longer than the other one. Because the other one had bends in it. Oh, warning.
Oh my god.
Is this the warning? You want milk?
What the hell?
Okay. You got enough light? You want to move this light over?
It's not, I can't even see it.
Oh,
I'm
you
just
just
going
feel
off a feel.
Oh gosh. You make sure you put the right one on the right one.
Oh, I counted with my fingers.
You need your fingers to count?
Yeah, I do actually.
To 3?
Yeah. I'm not getting paid?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. Full bennies. You got full bennies too. Not just pay, but full bennies.
Ow.
Oh, let's see what we got for fuel down here. Fuel lines. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Gotta hook up the return line off the fuel pump down here. And then mess with someone's genius here where you can't get to the heads of the clamps to unscrew them. We gotta figure that out. Humpty's over there doing his dance. I don't see no dancing, no moving going on over there.
Dying.
I'm dying. I'm dying over here. Alright. Let's get after it. I am not what you call a mechanic, but that's beside the point. We're just gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. Like, who put these lines on here? Like, they put the damn heads of the bolts on the inside. I don't know how they did it.
Oh, I'm fighting for my life down here.
Fighting for your life.
Let's get this thing looking decent.
We lose the life.
Get away from me!
Here comes tomorrow. 3, 2, 1.
If you like gross, I'm going to show you gross today. Stay tuned. Anybody interested in a swig of this sassy sweet seat juice? Come on, you know you want some.
Hey friends, it's me, the guy behind How We Roll Auto. If you dig cars, wrenching, and road adventures, check this out. That big red button, give it a tap, smash it, elbow drop it, whatever works.
All right, How We Roll Auto. We're gonna tackle this filthy seat here with this little Bissell cleaner, spot cleaner. This thing is pretty gross. I've already hit it kind of once with some of that tough stuff, and I scrubbed it, but it's pretty gross, especially here. But you can watch and see how it comes out. Alrighty, let's get going. So far, I don't know if you can tell, did that once, haven't done this side at all, and I think it's making a huge difference. Not perfect seats, obviously, a couple holes, one there, one over there by the corner, but that's what we're using to start off with. Still got to do the buckles and all that stuff, and the seat belts, but the front here is disgusting. But this little thing's doing a pretty good job. I'll probably have to do this 3 or 4 times, but we'll get after it.
Get over here.
She's getting better. Slowly but surely, she's getting better. Not if my back can take much more of this, but, you know, like I have a choice. Like I have a choice. Oh, there's the road runner. Yummy. Yummy. That's good stuff right there. Nasty. Nasty. Ugh. Oh my God. Why is that so gross? This nasty.
Come here.
What is that? Black mold or something? Probably gonna die. Ugh. Okay. Huge difference. Little dent there from something. Must be the shifter. Alright, so notice this. super nasty. I don't know if that's black mold or what that is, but I do have a ladybug. Oh, looky you. Where'd it go? I got a ladybug, so maybe that means good luck. Or maybe Godspeed with all this black mold. Oh, this is round 1. Not too bad, but I think she'll probably need one more, at least one more, if not 2 more rounds with that little Bissell. It did a pretty good job. I'm actually impressed. Humpty Dumpty lent me that, so he should know he has to clean up a lot of stains with all them little kids running around.